Hello everyone, I'm Renu. Today, let's think about temptation. How we will grow through temptation. Every temptation is an opportunity to do good. Happy is the man who doesn't give in and do wrong when he is tempted, for afterwards he will get as his reward the crown of life that God has promised those who love him. James chapter 1 verses 12. On the path to spiritual maturity, even temptation becomes a stepping stone. While temptation is Satan's primary weapon to destroy you, God wants to use it to develop you. Every time you choose to do good instead of sin, you are growing in the character of Christ. From the Bible, we learn that temptation follows a four-step process. In step 1, Satan identifies a desire inside of you. It may be a sinful desire like the desire to get revenge or to control others, a normal desire like the desire to be loved and valued or to feel pleasure. Temptation starts when Satan suggests that you give in to an evil desire or that you fulfill a legitimate desire in a wrong way or at the wrong time. We think temptation lies around us, but God says it begins within us. If you didn't have the internal desire, the temptation could not attract you. Temptation always starts in your mind, not in circumstances. Step 2 is doubt. Satan tries to get you to doubt what God has said about the sin. Is it really wrong? Did God really say not to do it? Didn't God mean this prohibition for someone else or some other time? Doesn't God want me to be happy? The Bible warns, watch out, don't let evil thoughts or doubts make any of you turn from the living God. Step 3 is deception. Satan is incapable of telling the truth and is called the father of lies. Anything he tells you will be untrue or just half true. Satan offers his lie to replace what God has already said in his word. Satan says, you will not die, you will be wiser like God. You can get away with it. No one will ever know. It will solve your problem. Besides, everyone else is doing it. It's only a sin. And the last step, that is step 4, is disobedience. You finally act on the thought you have been toying with in your mind. What began as an idea gets birthed into behavior. You give into whatever got your attention. You believe Satan's lies and fall into the trap that James warns about. We are tempted when we are drawn away and trapped by our own evil desires. Then our evil desires conceive and give birth to sin, and sin, when it is full grown, give birth to death. Do not be deceived, my dear friends. Temptations keep us dependent upon God. Just as the roots grow stronger when wind blows against a tree, so every time you stand up to a temptation, you become more like Jesus. Instead of giving in or giving up, look up to God, expect Him to help you, and remember the reward that is waiting for you. When people are tempted and still continue strong, they should be happy. After they have proved their faith, God will reward them with life forever. God blesses the people who patiently endure testing. Afterward, they will receive the crown of life that God has promised to those who love Him. James chapter 1 verses 12. Thank you.